Hey, thank you for being here and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take a little break from the series and we're going to talk about why this channel exists and what we hope to accomplish with the information we're sharing. I think community is important, and if you have knowledge that is useful, why not share it? So that is what we're trying to do here. I hope you will share along with me by commenting below each video and let us learn together about what nourishes us on a daily basis. So let's get into it. Have you ever thought about what's in the food that you put in your body? Well, I'm not just talking about the name of the dishes. For instance, many cultures combine rice and peas or beans and rice depending on where you're from. Have you ever thought about what it's made of or where did it come from? What does it do for your body after you eat it? Is it just to relieve hunger or because the recipe has been passed down from generation to generation? I know we all have busy lives, and the less we have to think about, the more we can accomplish throughout our day. So if we don't have our health, the less we can accomplish, period. So I'm very curious about what makes up the food I eat, and I hope that you are as well. If so, let's create a safe space to talk about how and what's in our food that helps us live longer, healthy, and productive lives. This channel is all about deep diving into the heart of what fuels our body, exploring not just what we eat, but what vitamins and minerals make up the things that we eat. Our mission here is to arm you with the knowledge of what nourishes our cells, brains, muscles, and much more. It's time to make informed decisions about what we're placing in our bodies. Why don't you join us on this journey as we unravel these ingredients, explore how they are sourced, cultivated, and eventually find their way onto our plates. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to make healthier choices. Let's not just eat, but understand why we eat. We will explore nutritional benefits, potential drawbacks, and the impact on our overall well-being. From farm to table, we'll showcase the beauty of growing our own food and discover the joy of cultivating ingredients right in our backyard. Connecting with the earth, appreciating the effort that goes into bringing fresh, wholesome food into our homes. We'll uncover mysteries behind some commonly used ingredients. Have you ever wondered about those hard to pronounce names at the back of your favorite snack? Let's demystify them and understand their role in our diet. Let's build a community that values not just what's on the plate, but the stories behind each ingredient. Share your experiences, insight, and maybe even your own homegrown recipes in the comments below. Together, we can create a space for knowledge, exchange, and inspiration. As the channel expands, we hope to invite nutrition experts who will answer some of your burning questions about food, health, and making informed dietary choices. Stay tuned for that at a later point. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any upcoming topics we discuss. Let us not just eat, let's savor, understand, and appreciate the incredible world of ingredients that makes up our meal. Remember, knowledge is key to a healthier, more conscious way of living. Until next time.